Hey, welcome back to Be Easy with Breezy, where I show you creative and inspiring ways to take everyday items and create something that wows. The best gifts aren't the ones that wow, they're the ones with the most thought behind them. Today I'm turning Dollar Tree, Bath & Body Works, and Hobby Lobby items into something that feels personal and thoughtful. They're useful and an unforgettable gift. All right, first we're going to take this container. I've already stuffed the container. This container came from the Dollar Tree, of course, and I stuffed it with a box and some paper. I put some tissue paper in here, so I made my foundation. And what we're going to do is dress up the container a little bit first, okay? These decals also came from the Dollar Tree, okay? And I like this one. Like that, and let's see, do I want to add another one? Okay, sorry about that. I have cinnamon rolls in the oven. 1 second. All right, let's see. One more little butterfly. I like that. Okay. So that's first. And next, we're going to take this back, also from the Dollar Tree, and press it down here. I'm trying not to see here. Okay. And then I got this from Hobby Lobby. And we're going to put that right here. Okay. I love this clock. Love it. And then I have this autumn sign. Autumn leaves and pumpkin. Please fall. I'm a pumpkin fall kind of girl. Okay, yes. So that is going right here. Let me see. Come around and see what it looks like from the front here. All right, and then I'm going to add the all-purpose and dish soap. We're just going to place things here right now to find the location. Oh, before I do that, actually, I want to place, I made these coasters, okay? So I'm going to place them here. I'm going to glue out everything. I just want to find the spots first, okay? So I have 2 of them. And they're going to be covered in here. Some. It'll be all right in a second. I'm going to put these here. And I have some moon pies. Pumpkin moon pies. This says pumpkin. So we're going to put them right here, like this. That's going to actually help with our base a little bit. Okay, and then we are going to put some Bath and Body Works, and this is cookie butter truffle hand soap. We're going to put that over here. And then I have a soy candle that I made. Okay. Woo. It has a wooden wick. I have that pressed down a little bit too hard there. Alright, that's better. So they can open it. Alright. And we have a pumpkin. Let me walk around here so I can see what it looks like. Okay, and then I have some leaves. Okay, I'm going to use some of these leaves, but before I do that, I'm going to start glue dotting. I want to make sure things stay, right? One of the good things about waiting is you can see where things actually lay, and then you can just put that glue dot on there. That's what I found. Sometimes it's getting the glue dot off your finger. You want to come out. Let me come around here so I can see. I'll do that right here. Touch there. Put a glue dot here. Touch there. And that candle is toasted pumpkin. So we got a little thing going on here. Okay, and then I also put the safety labels on all of my candles, of course. Let's see if this is going to stay. I don't actually know. Let's see. Yes, it is. Okay, one more. Then it won't wobble, right? All right. So, let's add some leaves. I want to figure out the colors, okay? Let's do that first. No. No, 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 no. Let's do more orange. Ooh, I like that one, though. Yeah. This leaf is bent. There we go. Let's see how this works out. Want another one? I feel yes. I'm gonna do that. Yes. Actually, might want to do that, huh? I think I am going to do that. I like it. I think I like it. Do I want one more? It's hard to stop, okay? It's hard to stop. But I think I'm going to. I think I am, but I'm not sure, obviously, okay? Because I'm still going. Actually, I'm going to put that there. All right, let me see. I like it. What do you think? I am done. I am done. I took Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and Bath and Body Works and put them together. What do you think? I hope you like it. I hope you like it. I think this is pretty creative. They have a little snack. They have some snacks in there and everything. Yes. All right. Nice, useful, thoughtful gift. There's a little bit of everything in it. I hope you like it. Please like my other videos. Please watch my other videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time. Bye.